Hi, I'm Jesse, and today I want to show you the new partner cordless phone, the 3920. It's the phone right here. It's smaller and lighter than the other version. It has a speakerphone. It also has all the normal buttons on here for a hold, transfer, conference feature. Normal buttons that you'd use on a system phone. Probably the biggest deal about the biggest thing that they added on this phone is there's 2 intercom buttons and now 6 buttons for lines or features, as opposed to the old phone where you only had 2 buttons for lines or features. So we're pretty excited about that. You also notice that there's no antenna on this phone, so it fits better on your side. So if you want to take a look at our base over here, this is the base of the radio module that you would use. You can mount this on the wall or put it on a shelf. And here's the repeater. With the original base by itself, you can do an average of 160 feet range here. So if you add a repeater, you can do another 160 feet or so, just for an average. They give up to 300 feet, they say, could possibly work in a building, but every building would be different. So the other thing I want to show you is, of course it has a display on it. You can get caller ID if you have it from the telephone company, and we can also use these other buttons for features like redial. The battery life on this phone has 6 hours of, I should say 12 hours of talk time and 6 days of standby time. And also has a headset port on the top of the phone here. So that's very nice for if you talk a lot, like I do. The 3920 uses DECT 6.0 technology, which means that it's a digital signal. You're going to have great reception, and it's going to be compatible with your wireless networks that you have in your office. So as far as connecting the radio module base to your phone system, you're going to take I have an 8-pin line cord here, but you can use a 4-pin line cord also. That's all you need there, just 2 pairs. So you run the line cord back to your extension and plug it into the extensions on one of the extensions on the bottom of the phone system. And if you want to extend the range with more repeaters, you could do 3 repeaters daisy-chained in a row to do a coverage of around 500 feet or so, maybe a little bit more. Or you can do 6 repeaters per base in a star configuration. It's kind of like a circular configuration. They'd all be tied back wirelessly to the base. And just to show you on the back here, it's just a line cord that goes back to a power supply. You just need an AC outlet. There's no wires to run back to the base or anything like that. So just one cord for the power supply. And that's it.